Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. The first thing we have dy over dx. That means we need to do first the derivative of y in terms of x. But in this situation, I will put about dy over dt divided by dx over dt, because this one and this one they cancel. So first the derivative of y in terms of t. So we need to do first the derivative of this one and this one for this one. So first the derivative of sin t, that is about cos2t. First the derivative of sin2t, that is about number 2 cos2t. So because number 2 in here, that's why we have number 2. So in this one we can do for dx over dt. First the derivative of cos2t, that is about negative sin t. First the derivative of this one, so we have negative and negative, we have positive, and that's about number 2 sin2t. And now we have t equals to b over 2. So we put about t equals to b over 2. So I will put this one go in here, this one go in here, this one go in here, and this one go in here. So we will got about the final answer in here. So number 2 cosine of b over 2 minus number 2 of cosine number 2 multiplied by b over 2. So we have number 2 over, we put this one going here, and we got negative number 2. So this one divided by this one, we have negative number 1. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.